Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this universal socket. You may have seen some of these things. They used to be all over on the ad scene and TV kind of stuff, but it's by ironcube, and I'll show you guys what this one is here. It has, it comes with an adapter and whatever, so it's got that. You see it's got all those little pins, and what that lets you do is it lets you put any size bolt, basically, and do it that way. And I guess it comes in two pieces here, so we can do this, and you can screw it, you can put it into one of those quick connect kind of drills, or I have just a regular drill here that I will put it into, and I'll show you guys how it works. I did not get it on there straight. Let me try this again. I guess it is kind of straightens itself out as it goes. Okay, so this is how it is. It's just a little slightly wobbly, but that's okay because it's going to be wobbly anyway when I put it over the bolt. But look, I just have a bolt here, and it doesn't matter. You can even get it if it's centered, if it's not centered. If it's not centered, it just kind of wobbles around, but it works. Or I can get it kind of centered if I wanted to get a better drill on it. I didn't do perfect. See, look how easy it is. I could just do it any size bolt. It just goes in there. Well, not any size up to that size, but it's pretty cool. And you could just do that, and I could unscrew something, just stick it on there. So if you ever have some bolt and you just don't want to have a whole lot of tools around, you can just have this one little apparatus here by ironcube. It even says it on the side, and you're good to go. So very cool. I guess it goes all the way up from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, 7 millimeters to 19 millimeters. Cool. Thumbs up for me.